Be some moves that you can use for church, like some congregational stuff that's gonna be really, really hitting and effective and touching when you're playing your congregational songs that really never end. They just keep going. All right.
Presenting Rico Anthony Enterprises, offering music coaching, leadership, teaching, motivational speaking, consulting, one-on-one piano lessons, and so much more. You can search on all social media platforms Rico Anthony Enterprises, or you can visit www.ricoanthony.net.
Let me give you just a few of the things that I may do that may be just a little bit different than what you've been hearing or what you've been doing. So I started like this. So I have a B flat in the left, B flat, F, and A flat. Right hand, I have a C sharp, E flat, F, and A flat. So next move, I have a C and A flat in the left. Right hand, I have a C, E flat, and A flat. So I went. Then I have a C sharp major chord in both hands. So it's a C sharp, F, and A flat. And then in the right hand, I added the 9, C sharp, E flat, F, and A flat. All right. In the left hand, I have an E flat and A flat. Right hand, I have an A flat major chord, C, E flat, and A flat. Then the walk up, I have an F tritone in my left, which is E flat and A. Right hand, I have a D minor chord, which is A, D, and F. And I'm just gonna walk that straight up, half steps. Until I get to the C, F, and A flat. So together it's use this chord, which is an E flat. This is the chord I use for my 5. So my bass player is on the 5, an A flat, which is, all right. So I have an E flat, B flat, C sharp in the left. Right, I have a G, B, C sharp, F sharp. All right. That's my 5 chord, and then I go to my 1. But I have a bass player, so I don't have a bass player in the video, of course, but usually I'm playing with the bass player, so I don't have to run the bass line. So what I'm doing is this. Let me break that down for you. So that's a F minor chord there, and I'm twanging, as Jason White would say, I'm twanging off the B flat. So that's an F minor chord. Tritone, I'm bouncing from that C sharp tritone to the A flat tritone. Also, it's a twang on the E flat, from the E flat to F. So I'm twanging both. right. So then I go. So I'm going from the 1 to the 4. All right. That would be my C sharp tritone on my left. So I got F and B, and then I'm playing a B flat minor chord. Now I may, if I want to get there, so I may. So if I do. So let me give you that little thing that I do. That's a B major chord. So F sharp, B, and E flat. B flat minor chord, F, B flat, C sharp, E flat, A flat, and B. So. All right. Then I'm getting ready to get to the 6. So I'm going. So 1, flat 5, 7, 3, 6, 4. So in my left hand, I have a D, A, C. Right hand, I have a F sharp, C, and F. And then I have a G, D, and F. Right hand, a F, B, flat, and C sharp. So let's do it like this. So we have a C, G, and B flat. Then we have a C sharp diminished 7, C sharp, E, G, and B flat. So we're going to this 6, F, C, and E flat, C, F, and A flat in the right. So we're getting ready to walk up to the 2. So we have an F, C, and E flat, C, E flat, F, A flat. All right, that's 6. Then we're going 7. All right, we got a G, D, and F, B flat major 7 in the right, D flat, C sharp, E, and G. So then A flat, E flat, F sharp, C, E flat, F, A flat. All right. Then we go back to the 6 because we're gonna go from the 6 to the 2. So we go F, C, E flat, A in the right hand, A, C sharp, E flat, A flat. And then back to that beginning thing. B flat, F, A flat, C sharp, C, A flat in the left. All right, so that's B flat, F, A flat, C sharp, E flat, F, A flat, C, F, A flat in the left, C, E, A flat in the right. Then that's a D, F, A flat in the left, and a B diminished 7 in the right. So B, D, F, A flat. All right, then we're gonna walk it all the way up instead of just doing the 5 chord. We're gonna walk it all the way up. And I showed you that. That's the same from the beginning. That's the same. That's the same walk up from the beginning. that's a run. That's a run that we can use when we're going to the 4. All right. So that run goes like this. Then when I get to that B, I'm on my 4. I end on that A flat. All right, so let's break that down. E, A flat together over this tritone, the A flat tritone, F sharp and C. All right, we're going down to D, C sharp, B, A flat, B, up to B, back to A flat, F, E flat, D, C sharp, B, A flat. So when I get to A flat, I'm moving to my 4. I think that's enough to get you started, at least churching, as we call it in North Carolina. Churching in A flat. All right? Let me know how that helps you.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.